All right, hey, so what do we got here?
So this is a scratch-built FireFly. It's a micro sport jet that's inspired by the Tom Cook Firebird. This is a project that took several years to come together. It started off with a friend of mine, Thomas White, and we wanted to see if we could 3D print a plug for a fuselage and make a mold off of it, and actually that worked really well. Over the last year or two, I sheeted some foam wings and made molds off of that, made molds for the tail, made molds for the ducting, and here we have it at Jet Jam 2023. So it's all carbon fiber, it's all vacuum bagged, and it's powered with a 40 millimeter EDF. It's running off a new 12 millimeter in runner. It's got a 3S800 battery. It weighs right at 250 grams flying weight.
Everything about it is molded, the wings, the tails, everything.
Everything is molded.
And you've got live hinging on the surfaces?
That's right. So all of that was done in the molds and vacuum bagged. The wing has carbon fiber toe cloth, and there's a Rowasil, 1 millimeter Rowasil core material in there, and that's the majority of the structure of the wings, and there's a spar that connects them.
And so how are you handling the RF, the antennas from the receiver?
So you can see that the canopy's yellow, and the canopy's actually made from Kevlar, which doesn't interfere with the RF. And so the antenna actually, one of the antennas stays within the canopy region, and the other one is underneath that exits, so for a bit of redundancy. And there has been no issues with transmission so far in the flights.
So how's it fly? How do you like it?
It flies great. It's light, it has plenty of power, and it's definitely flying on the wing. It rolls nicely. The speed is probably about 70 miles an hour, but it makes for a nice park flyer actually. So it's got enough power to do vertical climb outs, loops, rolls, all of that. And for its size, without a gyro, it's surprisingly solid in the air.
All right, well, let's go get a flight on it, shall we?
Let's do it.
All right.
Go.
You want to keep it at 2, right? Two airplanes up with you. No, you guys can do it.
Well, everyone knows the session stands are now open. The session is now open.
Follow on landing after him.
I tell you what. Your choice, man. Where do you want to land? I would lean for perfect. No.
All right.